If your body feels like it hasn't caught up with your mind yet, tight, sluggish, or just not awake, that's your nervous system begging for rhythm, not more caffeine. Let's hit the mat. Start slow, start grounded. Begin in child's pose, knees wide, forehead down, arms reaching forward. Let everything exhale. Now inhale and glide forward into cobra. Keep elbows soft, heart lifted. Flow slowly, rock back to child's pose, then forward into cobra. This back and forth motion sends your spine a message, we're moving again. Beginners, keep your cobra low and relaxed. Advanced, pull your chest higher, engage your glutes slightly. This simple flow opens the spine and calms the nervous system. It's movement plus breath in sync. Still flowing? Give me one more transition and exhale fully. That just unlocked your back. Now let's wake up your hips. Most people's glutes stay asleep all day. Let's not be most people. Lie flat on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Press through your heels and lift your hips high. Squeeze at the top, then lower down slow and controlled. Beginners, keep the range small and focus on control. Advanced, add a pause and pulse at the top. Inactive glutes often lead to low back pain. I promise this one move can realign your day from the ground up. Can you hold this next rep at the top for 5 seconds? Squeeze like you mean it. That just recharges your core. Now let's stretch the outer hips. This one gets deep, like emotional tension stored in your hips deep. Lie on your back. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Pull your left thigh towards your chest. Keep your right knee gently pressing away. Switch after 30 seconds. Beginners, hold the back of your thigh. Advanced, pull your shin in closer. Tension in your hips often mirrors tension in your life. Don't rush this. Feel the stretch? Or are you bracing against it? Breathe through it. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's reconnect the whole spine. It's time to create rhythm in your spine. On all fours, inhale, arch your back, lift your head, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat. Let the breath lead the movement. Beginners, go slow and steady. Advanced, add pelvic tilts and push through the fingertips. This isn't just a yoga warm-up, it's a neurological reset. It tells your brain it's safe to move. Let's go 5 more breaths. Can you match the pace of your heartbeat? That just built your rhythm. Now let's lengthen to finish. You've activated, stretched. Now we soften. Sit with legs extended. Inhale tall, exhale and reach forward. Fold from the hips, not the back. Let your spine round naturally at the bottom. Relax the neck. Breathe into your calves and hamstrings. Beginners, keep a bend in the knees. Advanced, grab your feet and gently pull in. The stretch taps into your parasympathetic system. It physically signals, I'm safe to slow down. Still breathing? Reach 1 inch further. This is your final challenge. You just gave your body mobility, control, and breath in 5 intentional minutes.